Here comes our next question. Which one of the following is issued by the court in case of an illegal detention of a person? It is habeas corpus. A option is correct. Next question. To which category right to vote belongs? It belongs to political rights. D option is correct. Which of the following would be called a secular state? The secular state, the state which does not discriminate between religions. C option is correct. Fill up right dash duties. Right implies duties. C option is correct. How many fundamental rights were granted initially? Fundamental rights, there are 7 fundamental rights that were granted initially. You will have to answer this question, that how many fundamental rights are there. You will have to name these rights in the comment section. Next question. How liberty can be limited? It can be limited by laws. Most important safeguard of liberty is a bold and impartial judiciary. Which one of the following kinds of equality is not compatible with the liberal notion of equality? It is economic equality. Political liberty implies free political activities of the people. B option is correct. Which one of the following is an item included in the list of fundamental duties of an Indian citizen in the Constitution? It is to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. B option is correct. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? It was in the year of 1976. B option is correct. How many fundamental duties are there in our Constitution? There are 11 fundamental duties. A option is correct. The concept of directive principles of state policy in Indian Constitution is adopted from Ireland, UK and US. B option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following chapters in the Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to the people? It is the part 3rd. D option is correct. Next question. The directive principles incorporated in the Indian Constitution have been inspired by the Constitution of Ireland. In which of the following articles citizen rights of the people who migrated from Pakistan to India is mentioned in the article of 6? C option is correct. The directive principles of the state policy has been adopted from which constitution? It is adopted from Irish Constitution. The source of authority of the Indian Constitution is the people of India. Which of the following attribute in the preamble states that no one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior? It is fraternity. The option is correct. Right to constitutional remedies comes under the fundamental rights. Which of the following is not guaranteed by Indian Constitution? It is right to free education for all. The option is correct. The Preventive Detention Act curtailed right to freedom. A option is correct. Ideas of welfare state are contained in the directive principles of state policy. B option is correct. Indian citizenship is granted by Ministry of Home Affairs. The term fraternity in the preamble of the Indian Constitution means a sense of brotherhood. The option is correct. Which of the following authorities are competent to issue writs for the enforcement of the fundamental rights? The authorities are Supreme Court and High Courts. C option is correct. Stability of the government is assured in presidential form of the government. B option is correct. According to the Indian Constitution, the vacancy in the office of the President of India shall be filled within 6 months. B option is correct. Parliamentary form of government is also known as responsible government. B option is correct. The minimum age of the number of Rajya Sabha is 30 years. C option is correct. Who among the following are not appointed by the President of India? It is Vice President. C option is correct. What is the period within which a proclamation of the national emergency made by the President is to be placed before each house of the parliament? Approval within 1 month. A option is correct. A money bill passed by Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by the Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the upper house within 14 days. B option is correct. What can be the maximum interval between 2 sessions of parliament? There can be 6 months of interval. The minimum permissible gap between 2 sessions of the parliament is 6 months. D option is correct. Who among the following decides if a particular bill is a money bill or not? It will be decided by Speaker of Lok Sabha. B option is correct. Which of the following standing committees of parliament has no MP from Rajya Sabha? It estimates committee. B option is correct. How are legislative exercise of parliament and assemblies checked? It is checked by judicial reviews. C option is correct. No money can be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Money bill can be introduced in the Lok Sabha without the prior approval of President. B option is correct. Rajya Sabha enjoys more power than the Lok Sabha in the case of setting up of new All India services. C option is correct. Who is component to dissolve the Rajya Sabha? The component to dissolve Rajya Sabha is the chairman Rajya Sabha, the president, the joint session of parliament. None of these. D option is correct. Next question. Point out which from the following is not a right enumerated in the Constitution of India but has been articulated by the Supreme Court to be a fundamental right. It is a right to privacy. C option. A option is correct. Which of the following standing committees of Parliament has no MP from Rajya Sabha? It is the Committee Estimates Committee. B option is correct. From which constitution of the world the Indian Constitution has adopted the concept of directive principle of state policy? It is adopted from Ireland. A option is correct. The residuary powers not mentioned in the Union, State or concurrent list of the constitution are vested in. These are vested in both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. B option is correct. What is the composition of the electoral college for the election of Vice President of India? It is elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. B option is correct. The function of pro tem speaker is to swearing in members and hold charge till a regular speaker is elected. C option is correct. Who among the following presides over the Lok Sabha in the absence of a speaker or deputy speaker of Lok Sabha? So, a person from the panel formed by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. C option is correct. Indian Parliament includes President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. D option is correct. What is the minimum age prescribed for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha? Minimum age is 30 years. C option is correct. The presidential government operates on the principle of separation of powers. What is the maximum time interval permitted between two sessions of parliament? It is 6 months. The item education belongs to the concurrent list. C option is correct. What is the maximum number of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? The maximum number is 238. B option is correct. Next question. The joint session of the two houses of parliament is convened. So it is convened in the only in case of internal emergency or texts approved by one house are rejected by the other house. D option is correct. Next question. The President's rule is imposed on a state in India when there is a constitution breakdown. In Indian Parliament, a bill may be sent to a select committee at any stage at the discretion of the speaker. D option is correct. Where is the constitutional power located enabling the central government to legislate on cow slaughter? So it is Article 48 in the directive principles. D option is correct. The salaries and allowance payable to the members of parliament are decided by parliament. C option is correct. The authority to prorogue the two houses of the parliament rests with the president. A option is correct. What is the component to dissolve the parliament? The component to dissolve the parliament is president. A option is correct. The secretary general of the Lok Sabha is the chief of its secretariat and is appointed by the speaker. C option is correct. When was zero hour introduced in the parliamentary affairs in India? It was introduced in the year of 1962. The maximum number of members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has been fixed by the Constitution of India respectively as 545 and 250. The option is correct. In order to be recognized as an official opposition group in parliament, how many seats should it have? It should have one-tenth of the total strength. The option is correct. What is the maximum time interval permissible between two successive sessions of the parliament? It is 6 months. B option is correct. What is the minimum age laid down for a candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? It is the age of 25 years. The option is correct. Which of the following taxes is exclusively and totally assigned to the central government by the constitution? The tax is corporation tax. D option is correct. When the offices of both the president and vice president of India are vacant, who will discharge their functions? This will be discharged by the Chief Justice of India. Who is eligible to cast the deciding vote over a bill in a joint parliamentary session? The person is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. C option is correct. Representation of any state in Rajya Sabha is according to population of the state. The electoral college that elects the President of India consists of elected members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and the state assemblies. The Constitution of India lays down that the two houses of parliament must be summoned at least twice a year. C option is correct. The Vice President of India is also the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. B option is correct. The President of the Union of India has the same constitutional authority as the British monarch. A option is correct. Which organ is the custodian of the national purse? So it is legislator. C option is correct. Who can be the member of Rajya Sabha but can speak both in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? It is ministers who are members of Rajya Sabha. D option is correct. What are the residuary powers? Residuary powers are powers which are not mentioned in any of the list. D option is correct. How many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? These are 12 members. B option is correct. Which of the following is not a tool of legislative control over administration in India? It is a dissolution of House. A option is correct. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first President of India by Constituent Assembly. C option is correct. The member of Estimates Committee are elected from Lok Sabha only. A option is correct. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by the members of Lok Sabha. The President of India is elected by elected members of both houses of parliament and elected members of state legislative assemblies. The option is correct. A motion moved by a member in a legislature when it is desired to have a discussion on a matter of urgent public importance is called adjournment motion. A option is correct. No government expenditure can be incurred in India except with the sanction of the parliament. A option is correct. The majority of provisions of Indian constitution can be amended by the parliament alone. B option is correct. In our constitution, economic planning is included in concurrent list. C option is correct. A candidate to become a member of the Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. C option is correct. The Union Parliament consists of the President of India, the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, the House of the People, Lok Sabha.